Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and today we are doing our drawing from a jar thing. It looks a bit different today because there is no power in my home today, but that won't stop us. Can't stop, won't stop. And today's animal is a toucan. Yeah, so technically the camera is only on for you to see today's animal, so I can switch that off now. And today we're drawing on Krita for Android, so I'm going to be recording my screen as I draw, and I hope that the power that this thing has lasts for this session, or I hope that the power comes back in the middle of the session. So either or is fine. But before we draw, kindly like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of every hit the bell to get notified of every upload, and I thank you very much. Let's get to the drawing. So I just look for a reference on Unsplash, and here we are in Krita for Android. Let me just flip my screen so I can actually see. And today we are going to have quite the time drawing these things. No, I don't like that because I don't have my shortcuts. I have to do everything manually. So let's see what we have. To be drawing. So actually the power went out yesterday, last evening at 9. It's currently 9 a.m. so it's been 12 hours. I know what this is. Let me try one of these others. It's always weird transitioning from this screen to this other one. I don't know. Things just feel weird. And sometimes my finger can draw. See? This is my finger, so I have to be really careful about that. And sometimes I don't know what things do. At least I have discovered that tapping with 2 fingers is undo, with 3 fingers is redo, so that's useful. Nothing else so far. It's just I think the rotation bit is what will cause us a bit of trouble. That's fine, it's okay. We'll know what to do when that happens. So let's do a gesture drawing of our toucan. We use some straight lines. This always happens when I'm used to doing the thing on the Huion. When I transition to the tablet, it's weird because the glass is basically glass. I'm drawing on glass right now and it's really slick, so usually just takes some getting used to, and I don't like this at all. So I'm going to delete that. Add a new layer. Let me look for my chalk brush, and I can try and eyeball the colors from my reference. You look for a yellow or a gray-green for a gay, not a gay green, but a gray-green. Increase this size, decrease the canvas, and paint in some of the background. It's still slow on the tablet as it is. I think big brushes, there should be a limit then. If big brushes lag the program should limit the size that you can go. Either that or I need to upgrade every device I have, because this is a Samsung S6 Lite, Tab S6 Lite, sorry. So some of the, not some, what am I saying? It needs a whole lot of RAM upgrade, which of course I can't do because tablets aren't built like that. But our motto of the show is it's fine. Just going to do that. Usually when I'm on this tab, my go-to program, as some of you might know, is Infinite Painter. Although sometimes when you do quite a bit of work in it starts lagging. I don't know what the best program is for the Tab S6 Lite. I have used a Sketchbook as well. Sketchbook was nice. The only problem with Sketchbook, it doesn't have some features like clipping. So it's like really traditional. And if you're used to the clipping stuff, you long press, you get this menu. But I want to color pick. So let's have this as a blur. A new layer on top. See how slow this is. Layer on top can come in with a smaller brush size. Go into my browns, use a dark brown, add in this branch going across and down, add some more pigments, still kind of slow. And here we add a new clipping group. I think, how do I do that? Yeah, long press, then group, quick clipping group. And on this layer we go a bit brighter, a bit yellowy, paint this highlight on top, paint it again. Let's brighten on the top with the lower pressure, paint the middle, and then let me look for a blender. What's it called, a blender? Let's use this blend. I want to blend it going like this and possibly erase some things down here so we don't lose our shadows. Trying to use a consistent light pressure. And then how do I switch brushes in Krita? What's this do? I don't know what this does, so go back to my chalk, crease it a bit, maybe erase some of this. It's a bit harsh, that's fine. The layer on top, and then I can add some of this moss. Start with the darks, decrease its size, make it mossy, make it mossy. I have some bits of this for that plant over there. Now I'm just tapping, changing the hue thing, changing some of this color. Tap, tap, tap. Going dark, much dark. Going light for this. Some of these areas where the light hits, going like really yellow, and decreasing this size for this plant thing. Just erasing some of the tips. It's not gonna look the best. Luckily, I'm not an environment artist yet, so shouldn't bother us much. Go dark with the smaller size, do a bit of depth. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we can do our bird. We can make him mostly black. Going to erase this, so don't worry. Then he's rounder here in the middle. Probably I need to decrease him a bit. Then let's go to the yellow orange range. It's a really vibrant yellow, something like this. Can add in the neck, the weird greenish yellowish thing, and start carving in the beak. First, let's just do all of it this color. We can erase some stuff. I think this app needs like one of those tablets with keyboards, or keyboard things for our tablet. I'm seeing the legs are a bit bluish gray. Let's add those. Probably move this up a bit, maybe to this side. Then let's add a transparency mask with black. I think paint in this bit, something like that. And then probably on a layer on top of this, I'm going to go into my blue-gray, small brush size, add in impression of those. What's happening? Oh, it's too small for the legs, something like that. And let's get to the reds, really dark reds. And some areas of our bird which are actually red. So I'm just using the eyedropper. It would be easier if I could customize maybe the buttons on my stylus. This one moves. They both move the canvas. I don't know where to set that shortcut. So here we are doing it the old-fashioned way. Let's zoom in. Maybe decrease the size a bit. Get this. Maybe the eye is over here. And some of the head is really black. And then here around the eye, I have the same greenish tone, a bit of darkness, bottom of the beak, and of course we have our red, the tip of this beak. It sort of gets lighter as it goes to this side, lighter and more orange. By the time it's here, it's like really orange. And surprisingly, there's some blue action going on, and some green, really colorful bird. And then of course a bit of yellow as well. We make this a bit more yellow. So let's see what it looks like from afar. That's what we have so far. The smaller brush, you come and refine some of these parts. Oops. Maybe we can erase a bit of this stuff. So what I'm going to do next is with this, the legs, we paint in some darkness. Oh, let's look at it from afar. From afar it looks okay. And then I'm going to merge this. Let me see if I can merge the layer below. So we have our toucan there. And then on this layer, I can come in with sort of refinement thing. So this might take a bit of time, which we don't have today because I don't know when the power is coming back. We'll try our best before we get tired. So currently it's just color picking with a smaller brush and trying to blend and refine what we already have. And there's a strip of rim. There's a rim going on around here. Slightly darker version of the green, doing something here. And of course this black rim doesn't go all the way. Isn't that wide? Is what I'm trying to say. Let me see if I can change some things. Maybe not now. Have to be another time. There are some greenish stripes going on this bird. I somehow ignored something like this. And I'm really interested in the eye. So I like doing eyes and I like doing them well. Let's do that. Color pick here, pick that again, trying to make it a sphere. Color pick again, go a bit higher in value for the top, be a bit brighter. Color pick again till we get something that resembles something round. And then for the thing, specular thing, make the pupil look round. Sorry, be much darker on that side and lighter on this side. Just a bit of something over here to emphasize the roundness. Then back to color picking, remove some of this, and then bigger brush, go in with something like so. And oops, smaller brush, same color, darker value, can come in with some of the folds, place that, maybe go bright, bigger brush, just a slight bit bigger, something like this, and we continue doing our thing. I can merge this with the layer below and add in a clipping group, and with this make it multiply with a neutral shadow, and with a soft round we can do some things. No, maybe a warm yellow, orange, maybe. Yeah, make it dark in some areas. Smaller brush, do the same for here under the eye, and probably this, and merge this. This is my background layer. And do this, add a clipping group, and in that group do the same thing, multiply, bigger brush, come in and add shadow underneath the bark, the branch, smaller brush, add shadow in the mossy areas. Still just tapping, maybe add something below there. And I think that's what are you doing? I think that will have to do for our drawing today. And this has taken us around 40 minutes. Probably it will have taken less if we had some shortcuts that actually work. But I'm glad we were able to draw today. And yeah, I don't have much else to say other than I really hope the power comes back very soon. I don't know how I'm going to upload this. Otherwise, have a great day, guys. And I hope where you are there is power. Okay, hope you have a great day. 2 thumbs up even though you can't see it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. Wait. If you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have a friend who's interested in some art things, make him or her subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, have a great day. 2 thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and today is a Saturday. It was a sad day, but now it's a Saturday. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and today I don't have any power. No power. What's that?